Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something that might have you scratching your head: how to cancel a debit on the Barclays app in 2025. Whether it's a mistaken payment or something you just don't want to go through, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Barclays app installed on your smartphone. It's 2025, so updates are key for security and new features. Open the app and log in with your usual credentials, your username, password, and maybe that two-factor authentication code for extra safety. Once you're in, head over to the main dashboard. Look for the Payments or Transactions tab, usually at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that, and you'll see a list of your recent and pending activities. Scroll through until you find the debit you want to cancel. It should be marked as pending or something similar. Double-check to make sure it's the right one. Now, tap on that transaction to open its details. There should be an option like Cancel Payment or Stop Debit. Go ahead and select it. The app might ask for confirmation, so read the prompt carefully. It could warn you about any fees or implications, so don't rush this step. After confirming, the app will process your request. You'll probably get a notification or an on-screen message saying it's been canceled. To be thorough, check your transaction history again to ensure it's no longer listed as pending. A few quick tips. Always act fast because some debits have a time limit for cancellation. If you run into any issues, the Barclays app has a help section, or you can chat with a virtual assistant right in the app. And remember, if it's a recurring payment, you might need to adjust your settings to prevent it from happening again. There you have it. That's how you cancel a debit on the Barclays app in 2025. It's straightforward once you know the steps, right? If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance hacks, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.